December is finally here, and that means we only have 1 month left of Q4. So today I've got 3 products that you guys can sell for the rest of the holiday season. And if you guys are new to the channel, my name's Alex. I cover all things e-com here, so if you guys find any value in this video whatsoever, remember to leave a like and subscribe for plenty more. And with that being said, let's get started. Okay, so the first product that I have for you guys are these electric heated gloves. So obviously December now, we're heading straight into winter, and a lot of areas are gonna be very cold. Now, what I like about these products as well are these are practical products that people would buy for themselves, but they also make a great gift. So you guys can have a lot of upsells in place, also offer like quantity discounts and one-click upsells as well, and sell a lot of these gloves. So they include a lot of content that you guys can use on your website. I'm sure there's quite a few other listings as well. The pricing point right here is $24.69 with $3.09 shipping. It looks like it's the same pricing across all sizes. So it's a total cost of $27.78. I would personally sell this product for $59.99 with a higher compare at price to make it look like they're getting a discount. I would do that for most of the products that you're selling if it makes sense to do so. So if you're selling it for $59.99, you're paying $27.78. That's a total profit of $32.21 for each pair of gloves that you sell, so $32.21, and that's a profit margin of 53.7%. So that's a pretty good profit margin right off the bat with this product. It has mixed reviews right here, so I don't know if you guys would find another supplier or another listing for this product, or just order a sample yourself and see what the big deal is with this. Personally, if you're getting started testing this on Facebook ads as well, the interests I would use, I have 5 interests for this product. I would use like winter, heated clothing, winter clothing, snow, and winter gloves. Those are definitely 5 good interests that I would start testing right away with. Okay, moving on to our next product. Right here I have this ice remover spray. So obviously with winter in full effect, you're gonna have a lot of areas that are very snowy and very icy, my home state of Michigan included there, unfortunately. So I've definitely used this in the past, and a lot of people actually haven't heard of it. So a lot of people go out there and use the actual snow scrapers, or just start their car a little bit early and let it melt on its own. But this is definitely a very great product. So you just spray it right on your windshield, right on your car, whatever, even on your house, and it just melts the snow, melts the ice right off of it. So the pricing point right here for the 120 milliliter bottle shipped from China is $8.41 with free shipping. So that's a total cost of $8.41. So if I was selling this product, I would personally sell it for $22.99. So we'll go $22.99 minus $8.41. That leaves us $14.58 profit for each bottle you sell, and then divided by the initial pricing point of $22.99. That is a 63.41% profit margin on this product. So that's a very good profit margin right there. If I was testing interest on this product, so one thing I've noticed as well before we go into that is there's only one order on this product. There are no reviews, and this store actually has pretty bad feedback. So I would definitely find another supplier and another listing on this product specifically. If you guys don't know how to do that, just go ahead and message me and I'll help you guys find a very decent supplier. You can even place samples or just talk to them directly and see what the expectations are up front. And then if I was testing interest on Facebook right away with this product, I would definitely test like snow removal, winter storm, and snow, and then hit the suggestions and see what else Facebook would suggest based on those. But those are definitely 3 interests that are very good to start off with. So they have a ton of content that you guys can use on your website, use on your ads, and just use to create a ton of content with. I would definitely order this and shoot some of your own content with as well. But that's the second product that I have for you guys. Make sure the supplier is trustworthy and you find a good one to go with. Okay, the third and final product that I have for you guys are these heated car seat covers. So these are heated car seat covers that you just throw over your traditional car seats, and then you plug in using this little cord right here. So they have a ton of content that you guys can use on your own stores. There's 3 different colors available. They got black, gray, and brown. So the pricing point right here is $12 for the unit itself plus $3.84 shipping. So that would make it $15.84 per car seat. The selling price for this product, I would personally sell it for $49.99. So that would be a profit of $34.15 for each car seat you sell, or a 68.3% profit margin, and that is great. So if you were selling this product on Facebook, the interests I would start off with would definitely be like heat, cars, and cold. So those are three very broad basic interests, but I would also see what Facebook suggests for me as well, but I would definitely start off with those three. So the reviews for this product are very, very good. They've got 259 reviews, 921 orders, and most reviews are 4 and 5 stars, with 5 stars being 85% of the reviews. The store itself has very good feedback. It's been in business since 2019, so I would definitely order a sample from them and contact them about dropshipping and see what the expectations are up front with this product. But this is definitely another good product to sell into the holiday season and with winter coming full speed ahead. I hope I was able to give you guys at least one product to sell this month. Feel free to post your guys' results afterwards in our Ecom Advantage Facebook group. Now, if this video did help you guys out, please remember to leave a like below and subscribe for plenty more. I have 2 Ecom resources linked in the description below for you, and thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.